Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to see recurrence relation in roots of polynomial for year 13 students. Let's get started. Recurrence relation. We will use the recurrence relation such as Sn is equal to alpha raised to the power n plus beta raised to the power n if we have a quadratic equation in front of us. If we consider the quadratic equation x square plus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0, let's suppose that the roots are alpha and beta. Because this is a quadratic equation, it has only two roots. We are supposing that the roots are alpha and beta. Alpha plus beta will be given as minus b over a. What is the value for b we have? We have plus 5 and a is 1. If we write down the value here, it will be minus 5 over 1, which is equals to minus 5. Alpha beta is c over a. What is our value? Our c value is 7 and a value is 1. Let's substitute here. We will get 7 over 1, which is equals to 7. S1, if we replace n by 1 here, it will be 1 here and 1 here. So S1 will be written as alpha raised to the power 1 plus beta raised to the power 1, which is equals to alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is minus b over a. My value is minus 5 here. S2, if I replace n by 2 here, it will be 2 here and 2 here, which will be written as alpha square plus beta square. To determine the value of alpha square plus beta square, we can approach this from different angle. Let alpha and beta are the roots of the given equation. We can substitute alpha and beta in the equation, because if we find out the roots of that equation, we can substitute it back and it should satisfy the equation. Let's substitute alpha here. We will get alpha square plus 5 alpha plus 7 is equal to 0. If we substitute beta here, we will get beta square plus 5 beta plus 7 is equal to 0. This is my first equation and this is my second equation. If I add both the equations, I will get alpha square plus beta square. 5 is common from here and it will be written as alpha plus beta. 7 plus 7 is 14, which is equals to 0. This alpha square plus beta square is basically S2. Replace this with S2 plus 5. Alpha plus beta is basically S1. Replace this with S1 and this is 14 is equal to 0. This equation will be written as S2 plus 5 S1 plus 2 times of 7 is equal to 0. 7 is what? 7 is our C value. We are multiplying this with 2 because this is our quadratic equation. This is the same answer which we got it in the previous video also. If you have not watched it, please watch my previous video. The quadratic equations will be written as S2 plus 5S1 plus 2C is equal to 0. What is C? C is our constant, whatever we have. Replace x square by S2, x by S1 and multiply the constant term by 2, as it is a quadratic equation and it has two roots. Let's solve one question here. Given that 2x square plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 has roots alpha and beta, find the values of alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube. I need to first calculate the value for alpha square plus beta square. There are two methods to solve this. I'll follow both the methods and I'll explain you how to do that. The first method, to find out alpha square plus beta square, the formula we can replace it with alpha plus beta the whole square minus of 2 alpha beta. We will substitute the value for alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Let's figure it out all the values from the given equation. Alpha plus beta will be given as minus b over a, which is equals to minus 3 over 2. My b value is plus 3 and a value is 2. So it is minus 3 over 2. Alpha beta will be given as c by a. What is my c value? My c value is minus 2, a value is 2. Let's substitute here minus 2 over 2. This got cancelled and it will be 1. My alpha beta is minus 1. Let's substitute back in the equation. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta, which is basically minus 3 over 2 the whole square. Minus 2 alpha beta is minus 1. Let's calculate this one. Minus square is plus. 3 square is 9. 2 square is 4. Minus minus plus 2. If we take the LCM here, we will get 9 plus 8 over 4, which will be written as 17 over 4. This is my answer. Let's do this question with the second method. I need to calculate alpha square plus beta square. Let's write the given equation in terms of S2 S1 and the constant term. What is my equation? My equation is 2x square plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. This will be written as 2s2 plus 3s1 minus of 2 times of 2 is equal to 0. I told you have to multiply the constant by 2. Let's substitute the values here. 2s2 plus 3 s1 is basically minus 3 over 2 minus of 4 is equal to 0. Alpha plus beta is basically our S1 value. Let's solve this for S2. 2S2 minus of 9 by 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. 2S2 is equal to 9 by 2 plus 4. 2S2 is equal to 9 plus 8 by 2. 2S2 will be equal to 17 by 2. S2 will be given as 17 by 4. We got the same answer what we got it earlier. Let's calculate the cube. Alpha cube plus beta cube. We need to calculate alpha cube plus beta cube. Again, there are two methods to solve it. I will solve it with both the methods. First method is alpha cube plus beta cube will be written as alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 3 alpha beta bracket alpha plus beta. I am using the formula here, which is equals to alpha plus beta is minus 3 over 2 the whole cube minus 3 alpha beta is minus 1. Alpha beta is minus 3 by 2. Let's solve this equation, which is equals to minus cube is minus, 3 cube is 27, 2 cube is 8, minus minus plus, again multiplied by minus is negative, negative 9 by 2. Let's make the LCM same here. It will be minus 27 over 8 minus of 8 9 times 4 here, which is equals to minus 27 over 8 minus 36 over 8. Let's add it here. Minus 27 minus 36 over 8, which is equals to minus of 63 by 8. This is my answer. Let's do the same question with a different method. What is our equation? Our equation is 2x square plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. I need to multiply this full equation with x. Let's write down here. Multiply this equation with x. I will get 2x cube plus 3x square minus 2x is equal to 0. Now replace this with S3, S2 and S1 here. We will write down 2S3 plus 3S2 minus of 2S1 is equal to 0. I need to solve this for S3. 2S3 is equal to 2S1 minus of 3S2. I move S2 and S1 on the other side of the equation. Let's substitute the values here. This will be equal to 2 times of S1 is minus 3 over 2 minus of 3 times of S2 is 17 by 4, which we figured it out earlier. Let's calculate this one. This will be equal to minus 6 over 2 minus of 51 over 4. Let's make the LCM same here. Minus 6 multiplied by 2 over 4 minus 51 over 4. This is equals to minus 12 over 4 minus 51 over 4. If I add it here, minus 12 minus 51 over 4, which is equals to 63, negative 63 by 4. This is the same answer we got it earlier. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.